Welcome back to Good Day. So we took a break from home hacks last Monday when you had the day off. So do you have one for us today?
Yes. This is to help clean up something that can be a bit tricky to wipe clean. Okay, Maggie, I'm going to need your help to test this. Can you do me a favor? Can you stick your fingers all over the fridge? Preferably like here. Like kind of smear them. Yeah, get some, there's a good fingerprint there. Okay, that's good. Okay. All right, this hack suggests you can use a dryer sheet to clean off fingerprints from stainless steel. So, I should actually make you do this, Maggie. Oh, look at that. Very cool. These were kind of on there before. Yeah, I think that works pretty well. Yeah, you want to do it? There's some down there where I can't bend that far. Can we earn our allowance, maybe?
Hey, that's my shoe.
The reflection. What do you think? Is that working? Is it getting the marks out?
I think so.
You think so? Oh. Try that one up there again. Child labor. I don't know. What do you think? I think it works. I mean, I still think that I need to clean it with like cleaner, you know. But I think in terms of the fingerprints that are actually very tricky to get off, it's still dirty, but I think it looks better. You think it looks better? What do you think, thumbs up or thumbs down? She says thumbs up.
Well, if Maggie gives it a thumbs up, I'll give it a thumbs up.
Yeah, me too. It actually did. It was helpful. And I have like a special stainless steel cleaner, which does work, but it's like the fingerprint. There's something about the fingerprints. It's got to be like the oil or something that it's just particularly tricky. So I thought the dryer sheet actually helped really well. In the past, I've used the dryer sheets to clean baseboards, which was a really popular hack. And yes, I will have folks coming at me to tell me how toxic dryer sheets are. I get it. But if you happen to use dryer sheets, they can clean fingerprints off your stainless steel.
I know why fingerprints remain on stainless steel refrigerators. To catch Mike eating the last piece of cheesecake. That's what it is. It's to identify whoever is eating
Whose
the dessert.
fingerprints are those?
That's it.
And send it into the police.
Yep. Solve this crime.
Solve this crime. Yeah, so that one I thought that one worked pretty well.
Yeah. Nice job. Well, just a reminder, it's coming up fast. This year's Susan G. Komen Race for the Cure.
It's on September 29th right here in downtown Toledo. Komen, Northwest Ohio, offers support to people with breast cancer and provides important funding for research.
So you still have time to get registered for the race. We have a link posted on our website, WTOL.com. Good Day is back in a moment.